Dear students, competitive JEE NEET 2026 focus. This question belongs to JEE 2017. Which of the following reaction is an example of redox reaction? What is redox reaction? Oxidation reduction. Oxidation must take place. Reduction also must take place. So here xenon Xe undergoes oxidation while oxygen undergoes reduction. So that is called redox reaction. In a chemical reaction, if you observe oxidation and reduction, that reaction is said to be redox reaction. You see this equation xenon, fluorine -1, all 4 fluorines are there. So here +4, fluorine oxides, oxygen shows +1 because fluorine is a negative -1. So oxygen +1, fluorine oxides, oxygen shows +1. Here xenon, this is -4, here +4. Here XeF6 xenon, fluorine negative -1, xenon +6. In a free state, oxygen shows 0. So +4 to +6, oxidation number increases. No doubt that is called oxidation. Oxidation number increases 2 per atom. Oxidation number increases 2 per atom. Here O2F2 converted to O2. Here oxidation number decreases by 1 per atom. Here 0, here 1 per atom. So here 1 xenon 4 6. Here oxidation increases, that is called oxidation. Here oxidation number decreases, that is called reduction. So xenon undergoes oxidation, oxygen undergoes reduction. Rest of the 3 reactions, 1, 2, 3, they will not undergo redox reactions. So if you observe very keenly, you see oxidation number, you see oxidation number, you see oxidation number. They will not undergo oxidation and reduction. So they will not be considered as a redox reaction. 1 is the right answer. 4, 6 increases oxidation. 1, 0 decreases reduction. In a chemical reaction, we have observed oxidation, we have observed reduction. Xenon undergo oxidation, oxygen undergo reduction. So that is called redox reaction. A is the right answer. Thank you. 2, 3, 4 are not considered as redox reaction.